Good morning, investors. My name is Louis from the COSEC research team. Today is Thursday, the 17th of March, and here is your pre-market wrap. Yesterday, the Australian stock market rose 1.08% to 7,169. While in the US, the S&P 500 posted its largest two-day rally since 2020, after the Federal Reserve raised interest rates for the first time since 2018. They also signaled the first hike could be followed with 6 more consecutive hikes this year to combat heightened inflation. Projections currently put the Fed's interest rate hike cycle at 1.875% to 2.75% by the end of the year, much faster than initially projected. The Federal Reserve also commented how the war in Ukraine, alongside other related events, are likely to create additional upward pressure on inflation. However, Fed Chair Jerome Powell also commented how the probability of a recession is not particularly elevated. Market commentator Mohammed Al-Arian described last night's meeting as a dovish tightening, and that with inflation rising, markets might not see this as a good thing. Moving forward, markets will await the Fed's plans to begin reducing the size of their balance sheet and selling down the $9 trillion worth of assets that it now holds. And to Europe, the stock 600 surged more than 3%, though strategists continue to cut their targets for the region with so many risks at play. Barclays expects widespread downside misses for earnings per share growth this year, and also placed the stock 600 with a price target of 465 points. That's indicating a 5% decline this year. While in Asia, tech stocks rebounded yesterday, sending US-listed Chinese stocks soaring the most since 2001. The Nasdaq Golden Dragon China Index jumped 26% after officials promised to ease their regulatory crackdown. And moving to commodities, oil and gold fell slightly, while iron ore rose 7.3% yesterday. And finally for this morning, the SPY futures are 0.58% lower at 7,138. This market wrap has been brought to you by COSEC Securities.